Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. This is class 8. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic. Biju Patnaik and his Dakotas. You know, Biju Patnaik means Mr. Vijayananda Patnaik was a legendary person not only in Odisha but also all over the world. He has contributed more to our nation. So today we are going to discuss about the adventurous and bravery nature of Biju Patnaik. So let us read the topic. Biju Patnaik was a born daredevil and risk taker, a symbol of courage, bravery and adventure. He was a born daredevil. जन्म कालरू से दुस्साहसिक थे एंड रिस्क टेकर ए सिंबल ऑफ करेज ब्रेवरी एंड एडवेंचर साहस एवं दुस्साहसर प्रतीक होउछथि विजयानंद पटनायक दिस पार्ट ऑफ हिज नेचर इज सीन इन हिज लाइफ बोथ एज ए पायलट एंड ए पॉलिटिशियन ही वाज बोथ पायलट एंड ए पॉलिटिशियन he had been the chief minister of our state Odisha. So he was bravery, but he was bold and adventurous as both a politician and a pilot. What the brave horse Chetak was to Rana Pratap, the Dakotas were to Biju Patnaik. What a brave horse Chetak was to Rana Pratap. The same Dakotas were to Biju Patnaik. How Biju got his first Dakota is itself a great story of adventure and courage. Kipari Biju Patnaik तार प्रथम Dakota पाइले इटा निजे गोटे दुस्साहसकर गप बा कहानी. Biju by then had started the Bhubaneswar Flying Club. सेते बेले से Bhubaneswar Flying Club को स्टार्ट आरंभ करथिले. The Second World War was over. A lot of military planes were lying unused at the American Air Base at Panagarh near Kolkata. Many of these Dakotas were used as the transport aircraft to carry materials to war sites. तो द्वितीय युद्ध परे किछि युद्ध विमान गुड़िक जो पन्नागढ़ पाखरे कोलकाता पाखरे पन्नागढ़ अमेरिकन एयरबेस रे किछि व्यवहार न होइकरी सेते होइथिला. तो Biju wanted to buy one of them for his Bhubaneswar Flying Club. Biju wanted to buy one of these Dakotas for his Bhubaneswar Flying Club. When Biju was about to fly an aircraft to Panagarh, some of his friends rushed to him requesting him not to fly as a heavy storm was building up. जते बेले Biju Patnaik गोटे प्लेन रेखरी पानागढ़ भुवनेश्वर एयरक्राफ्ट रू भुवनेश्वर एयरपोर्ट उड़ी जाओ चेष्टा करथिले उड़ी जाउथिले तांकर किछि बंधु आसिता कहले बिजु तुमे एबे जाओ नाही एबे आकाश रे पूरा गोटे कला मेघ उठी झड़ होबार संभावना अछि. बट Biju the daredevil ignored their warning and said this is Biju's plan which flies during a storm. किंतु Biju तांकर बंधु मानकर से सतर्क को से खातिर करी कोन कहले ना एटा Biju रो प्लान एटा झड़ तफले मते उड़ी पारिबो and took off. I was उड़ी गले. He stayed at Panagarh, got a Dakota repaired with great difficulty and returned to Bhubaneswar with his first Dakota. से Panagarh रहिले एवं बहुत कष्ट रे से गटे ताक Dakotas को से रिपेयर करले मरामती करिले एवं Bhubaneswar को फेरी आसिले ताकर से नुवा Dakota सहित. Many of Biju's adventures in air were in fact with his Dakotas only. जेते ताकर सब दुस्साहसिक कार्य ए आकाश रे हेइचिबा उड़ाहात रे कहिसंती सब ही Dakota सदस्य करछन Dakota को नेकी सब ताकर दुस्साहसिक कार्य करछन. He with his Dakotas that he got from Panagarh flew to Indonesia and brought back the Indonesian leaders when the Dutch planes were flying around to shot his aircraft down. से ताकर Dakota सहित से इंडोनेशिया नेता को से उद्धार करथिले तबे दास सहित बाहिर प्लेन गुड़िक घुरी बुलुला चारि पाखे मारिक तक पड़ा Dakotas को गुली करके तो पळेगा चेष्टा करथले किंतु ये दुस्साहस सहित सेठु खसी आसे कि इंडोनेशिया ताकर जो नेता को नहीं कि से ताको पहुंचे पारथिले बा ताको नहीं कि ताको से निरापद भाव ताको आनी ताको जीवन दान कर पारथिले। During the war in Kashmir with Pakistan, he also supplied necessary things to Indian soldiers with his Dakotas. पाकिस्तान भारत युद्ध होता काश्मीर रे से डाकटार मध्य किसी आवश्यक जिनस भारत सेना को जोगाउले। For his contribution to Indonesia's independence, the government of Indonesia has honored him with the title of Bhumiputra, or the son of the soil, and one of the Dakotas is kept in Indonesia in the memory of Biju even today. तेणु इंडोनेशिया स्वाधीनता अवदान थिबारु इंडोनेशिया सरकार बिजू पट्टनायक को इंडोनेशिया भूमिपुत्र रूप में सम्मानित करछि एवं गोटे डाकटा तांको बिजू पट्टनायक स्मृति पाइकरी इंडोनेशिया डाकटा को आज पर्यंत भी रही। This is what Biju Patnaik himself told about one of his daredevil experiences with his Dakotas to Mr. Dheer, who did researches on Biju and his Dakotas. Mr. Dheer बोले एक व्यक्ति जे बिजू पट्टनायक ऊपर गवेषणा करथिले एवं से तांकर किछि दुस्साहस कार्य तांको मते से वर्णना करथिले। One day Biju was inside the cockpit of one of his Dakotas. Cockpit रो अर्थ होछि जो कि विमान चालक बसिबा जगह को cockpit कहते। तो cockpit one of his Dakotas and was about to fly off. तांकर से विमान चालक जगह बसिक से डाकटा को उड़िया को जाउथले। A ground staff rushed to him and said, "Sir, something leaking from the aircraft." गोटे से ग्राउंड स्टाफ तांको को दौड़ी आसिला एवं आसी कहिला तांकर डाकटार तरल पदार्थ झरु अछि। Biju did not bother to get down and was still in the cockpit. से आगु मध्य चेष्टा कले नाही विचलित हले नाही तळ को लेहा पाई कि उल्ले बस आगु भाबले नाही एवं साइड बसी रहिले से कॉकपिट पर बसी रही कि सी ऑर्डर्ड द ग्राउंड स्टाफ गेट मी सम ऑफ द लीकिंग थिंग्स कोन धरुची उठाने के दियो दियो। द ग्राउंड स्टाफ ब्रॉट सम किछ आनी के देला। बिजू टेस्टेड द लिक्विड एंड टुक ऑफ। बिजू ताक जीवन आखिले एवं उड़ी गले। Probably Biju must have consulted his Dakota in this regard at the time as he considered them as living beings. जेमिति गोटे सजीव व्यक्ति सजीव जिनस जेमिति व्यवहार करा जाए बिजू पट्टनायक सेमिति ताका डाक्टर सहित व्यवहार करथिले। एते ताको भलो पाउथिले बा एते से डाक्टर सहित मिसि जाइथिले से डाक्टर ताकर एरोप्लेन रो कोन असुविधा है जे न होई से ताको जानि परथिले। And his Dakotas must have told him nothing, let's go. एवं ताकर डाकटा ताम कहिला किछ नाही चल जिबा। So rest part of this topic will discuss in next period, and students you must prepare the comprehensive questions. Okay, thank you.